And for my family members, y'all know what y'all did. Y'all know y'all is grimy. Well, not my blood family members. The one that was paid to raise me and influence my life and to do fucked up things to me. And they don't care because they let a guy in the industry or people in the industry rape me. They slipped drugs in my food and drink, and they just let him rape me. And then one, they just didn't care enough because one did music with him. His hot Cheeto head ass. Just because he think we was dating. Nah. In high school. He not the only one. Tell me what family members do that. Well, the ones that don't care. They don't care.